Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another episode of Twisting Grips. We're out here at the farm track. We're getting it shaped up. Got Jake over here in the skid steer. He's gonna load some dirt in, and we're gonna give her the old final touches on it. We're building the step on, step off right now. Should be a pretty fun gig. We've been working on a little bit here and there. We got the old tabletop right there shaped up. We got the triple right in front of me all shaped up. Got a little bit of knick-knack here and there to take care of. But a little bit later, Luke and Dallas will be joining us, and once we get this all touched up, we'll be riding. So hopefully we get a few good clips on the day and come out with a good video. Sitting right here, sipping my cold Monster. It's a little chilly out, but not enough to complain about. So, yeah. All right, as you can see right here, we got the tabletop right here. You come out of that, come into this corner here, rail that berm, and then we got a little jump right here going. That big old pile of dirt that Jake's sitting on right now will be the step on, step off portion of it. It's a pretty good gap, but we got a nice little kicker here. Send you right on up there, hop onto that, hop right on off of it, and hit the next corner and keep it going, bud. What we got so far, we got a nice little roller pin on, we got a nice jump there, we're gonna land on there. Next got it nice and smooth right now, and we'll put a little lip on it later, but it's supposed to land on there and then down there. But I mean, we'll see how that goes. There's this the old cat right now. Having fun, maybe, I don't know. Widen her out. Next. Legs. What are you doing?
Oh yeah.
Alright guys, just got finished up in the skid steer. Got a lot of things straightened out. We got that step on, step off built. We may make some edits to it, I'm not sure. But we got the landing straightened out for the big double, or the tabletop. It's looking pretty nice. Jake and Luke are hitting it right now, as you can see. Get some air on that thing. We stepped it out, and I think it was like 50 feet. But after a little while working with the skid steer here, we got this place looking pretty sharp. I'll give you a track walk around here shortly. Yeah, it's dialed in.
There's a couple black hairs down there.
Get the microscope out, let's see.
Oh yeah, you see them?
Oh.
Look at my wiener neck. See if you can
I
find
see
it.
it.
I can't.
I told you.
What did you just say?
Are you videoing right now?
Yeah.
Oh, that's awkward. How we doing, boys? Alright, so we're back out here. We let the rain pass a little bit since we got out here and graded the whole thing.
Hold
Of course, the Hendersons are out here on the four-wheeler, about ready to interrupt the entire vlog. Terrible when they watch
Wipe her
this.
down!
Pipe down there, Isaac and Mitch. But yeah, we're back out here. We got the moto bikes out, and we are ripping the track. And it is actually really fun since we got it redone. So
First time really getting her back after the old collarbone. Brand new bike. Ready to ride.
ready to ride.
Ray Rad.
We got the beard flowing. Hair's way longer than it was probably in the last video because it's been a few months. That's great. It's a beautiful day out here, you know.
Really?
It's a little wet, but other than that,
You got all cloudy and no sunshine.
it's a little
Great day.
depressing out, but other than that, you know, it's just great. It's a grand old time. You know what
Oh, yeah.
I'm saying? Oh yeah.
Oh! Texas down! Woohoo! Yeah!
Now pull this off.
I'm gonna walk you guys around the track here since we did a little update to it. Get you a little update on that. So first corner in right here, we got it widened out on the entrance and all that. After you come out of this corner, you hit our spawn step off. Here's the jump here. You can see Jake and Luke have been hitting it. But you jump, it's a pretty good gap. Jake is all of second gear trying to get up onto this thing. Then we widened this way out, took off some of that and put it over here. But it's a nice little wide straightaway for getting on your brakes for coming into this corner. This corner is still super sandy. You rail this corner, come on down here. We got this all widened out down here. Took away that gnarly edge there, so it's not just one tire width. But you come up here, hit this corner, come up to this hairpin 90, lean her down in here. Then we widen this jump out quite a bit because that was getting pretty nasty. Come in here, hit this corner, bring it on up to the triple. But you still come into this corner. Sorry for my sniffling, by the way. It's freezing cold out here and spitting rain. But come into that corner, go down and around there. And here's your tabletop. This is what we got clips of Jake and Luke hitting for you. And yeah, that's our small little outdoor supercross track because it's pretty tight. Make some good corners in there. Quick jumps out of corners. It's pretty fun. Successful day's work right there. As you can see, it's a little rainy. Walking the old skid steer right on back to the barn. I'd say it was a pretty good one though. We got a lot done. Got her all smoothed out, finished on whatever else we needed to do from what we were finishing earlier. But yeah, she's dialed in now. Another successful day of riding out at the farm. It's a bit rainy and cold out right now, so we're gonna call it and go to Grandma's house and get some pizza. So that sounds pretty fantastic right about now. But yeah, thanks for joining us on another vlog adventure, and we appreciate you watching. Thanks, bye.